Hi everyone, I'm Lexi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Dino Roll, and that looks like this. For this trick, you're going to need to know the reverse vertical figure 8. And with that reverse, you're going to be facing it towards you and turn this way. And once you get that going, I just kind of give it a toss up to myself. And then that's when you're going to go into the buzzsaw. So reverse, figure 8, toss up into a buzzsaw. And then from there, you're just going to lightly bend and toss it over your shoulder and over your head. And then that's when you're gonna let it roll down your back. Don't give it too much of a toss. You let it roll down your back, and then with the hand that you're guiding it with and tossing with, you're going to catch underneath in between your legs. So reverse vertical figure 8, toss up into the buzzsaw, lean over, toss over your back, catch it underneath your leg. When you are tossing, make sure it's not too hard because it'll just fly into the wall or whatever is behind you. You need to have it kind of controlled so that you have enough time to reach underneath and snag it before it flies back. And that was the Dino Roll. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and definitely like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you next time. Bye!